It's your girl Esther, aka Bunny, aka Bun Bun, aka Buns, and I'm back with another video. I have been procrastinating about making this video for you guys because I feel like I'm gonna hurt a lot of people's feelings, and it's because it's my own personal opinions. I do apologize in advance. I'm telling you now, there might be some triggers for you in this video. I apologize if it makes you feel some type of way, but I'm not gonna hold you on. I'm gonna try to see if I can make this video short and sweet because I was trying so hard not to record this video. Listen, if you're not familiar with my work, I install microlocks. I am not a Sisterlocs loctician, so I'm going to basically tell you that some of the things that I have gotten is off of the internet, okay? And then me being a microloc loctician, I will tell you my version of what I think the differences are, and if they're really similar, or if they're the same, or if they're identical. All right, let's just get started. Y'all really trying to throw me under the bus with this video. Like, y'all asked for it, so I'm going to go ahead and deliver. Sheesh. Microlocks are installed by the wearer, a loctician, or a stylist. So anyone can do microlocks. Literally anyone can do microlocks. In order for you to get Sisterlocs, a certified Sisterloc consultant or a technician can only do Sisterlocs. You have to be certified, meaning there's courses that you have to take. I'm not sure of how many days. I didn't go in depth of finding out more about Sisterlocs. I'm basically telling you off the noggin right now. They have to be certified though, okay? Like, they have a whole website. When you see them on that website, you know they're certified. So it's a big deal. With the microloc installation, there are 4 methods to install it: comb coils or finger coils, braids, interlocking, and of course, twists. With the Sisterloc installation, only interlocking is used. There's no braiding, there's no twisting, there's no coiling, there's no half of this and half of that. There's none of that. From end to root, interlocked. From root to end, interlock only. When maintaining microlocks, there are 2 methods that can be used. You can A, palm roll, B, interlock. Now with Sisterlocs, it's completely different. You can only interlock. There's nothing else you can do, it's just interlock. Your technician will interlock your hair. With microlocks, on the other hand, you can use the palm roll method, but also depending on the size of the locks. Now, if your locks are itty bitty like mine, I'm not gonna sit here and palm roll my hair because I know that thing's gonna fall out. Listen, y'all don't go out here saying that I told you to palm roll your hair. I did not, okay? When it comes to sizing for microlocks are usually smaller than traditional locks. Now, with Sisterlocs, there are different sizes. They have small, medium, and large. Hey, it's Side Note Esther here. I just wanted to say, with microlocks, there's not really a grid to follow, but when you do get Sisterlocs by a certified Sisterlocs loctician, there is a specific grid that they do follow. If you look at my work, I'll post some up here. This is the grids that I follow through, but with the grids that I have, I created off of the dome of the person's head. So with Sisterlocs, there's a specific grid that they do and follow with every single client that they have. If not, I could be wrong, okay? Like I said, I could be wrong. I've heard stories to where a person gets their hair done by a Sisterloc loctician, and they go to another Sisterloc loctician, and that loctician says it's not Sisterlocs, it's microlocks. What would you do? Answer down below. What would you do? I go ahead and pay all this money for Sisterlocs, come to find out it's really microlocks. What would you do? Tell me down below. The Upkeep. Yes, I kept this for last. Okay, so for microlocks, Microlocs are usually cheaper to upkeep, as in the reties, because like I said, there are different methods. There's interlocking and also palm rolling. That's much cheaper. So if you're a DIYer like I and like other people on the internet, it's much cheaper because you do it yourself. Or you can also go to a loctician and they'll go ahead and retie your hair for you. It's a much lower cost than Sisterlocs. Now with Sisterlocs Upkeep, there is a higher price for it. There are some microloc locticians out here that be charging Sisterloc prices because their work is I'm gonna go ahead and give you my opinion. I think this hairstyle is a luxury hairstyle, okay? It doesn't matter how you do it or where you are or how it's done. Regardless, at the end of the day, you're going to be spending money. If you do your reties yourself, you're still going to be sitting hours on end doing your hair. It comes with a price. The price could be timing. The price could be washing your hair. The price could be dyeing your hair. Listen, whatever it is, it's still cost effective. It's still a luxury hairstyle. You have to upkeep it. You go ahead and not do your hair for 9 weeks or at least 6 months. Listen, baby, your hair gonna fall out. You have come to the end of this video and I appreciate you so much for watching it to the end. Don't forget to click the thumbs up on this video and go ahead and subscribe and turn that bell notification on so that you could get alerts when I post a new video. Cause you know, your girl's coming through with these videos out here in these streets now. You see me? You see me? All right, so I will see you guys on the flip side. Bye.